Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the Roblox error code 280. Your version of Roblox may be outdated. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Usually this error is occurred due to the outdated Roblox version or corrupted Roblox files and unsupporting Windows version. For that, our first step is to uninstall the Roblox. So you need to enter into your settings, following apps, and the installed apps, and search for Roblox. Here what we are going to do is we are going to uninstall all the application like Roblox or supporting third-party application. All we are going to uninstall that. So after you uninstall all the application, check whether if you had any third-party cheat or any other code application which supporting the Roblox. Once it's done, please press Windows R and type app data. Enter into the local folder, find the Roblox folder. After you uninstalled, if you had any folder like Roblox and if you had any files and folder in the Roblox folder, please delete all the things. After once you deleted, that's it, and you need to restart your system. Once after restart, you can download the Roblox from your Microsoft Store, or you can download it from the browser. That's it guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe to you. Thank you guys. Bye bye.